In this module, we will demonstrate how to update the homepage banner rotator on your CDK Global website. Before you change anything on your banner rotator, make sure that you understand your OEM compliance guidelines. Also, during the week, you may be able to change the rotator by simply calling your support specialist, but if it's on the weekend and you need something changed, well, you may need to do it yourself, and this module will show you how to do that. I'm also going to be showing you a photo editing program. I'm using Adobe Fireworks. You could use any photo editor, or you may be working with a advertising agency, or you have your own graphics department that can create the right size banners to use in your account. For this idea, I looked up Peoria Volkswagen, and they had really strong Google reviews. They have 122 reviews and a 4.8 average score. So I went into Adobe Fireworks and created a very simple banner. I got the Google logo. I did a screen grab from their Google Places, and I just put a simple tagline, "Our customers have spoken." Of course, you can move the text around any way you want. And then once I've made my changes, I've saved that graphic to my hard drive. Now, in order to change the homepage banner, you have to log into your CDK Dealer Command Center, click on the website, and click the green Go button. You'll come into this dashboard. This is your Website Manager dashboard, and you're going to click on Edit Website, this large green button. By default, you come to the home page of your website, and once you log into the Dealer Command Center and hover over any widget, you can control that widget by clicking on the wheel. So here is the homepage slider. You'll see that there's a number of banners, and I'm just going to click on the wheel, and a pop-up box comes up, and what this shows is all of the current banner rotators. Now, one thing you should keep in mind, that after the first few banner rotators, well, normally people don't see them. So just be careful. You should be looking at your heat map to see how many people are actually looking at your banners. If your banners are not catching anyone's attention, you may want to delete them based on the website analytics and heat mapping tools that you have in your Website Manager engagement dashboard. But if I wanted to add a new slide, I have a button down here at the bottom, Add New Slide. So let me click on that. When I click on New Slide, you'll see right here it has New Slide, and the slide name could be Google Reviews. Okay, and you'll notice as I'm typing up here in this blue box in red letters down there, it's showing me that banner. And then, of course, I can add text or upload an image. Let me upload an image right now. So I'm going to click on Upload. And of course, I can choose a file from my website, hard drive. Here we go. And I'm going to click on my Google Reviews. That's the image that I created. And then I'm going to click on Upload. Okay. Whether you store your images in the cloud or on your local hard drive, you can grab them by just choosing that file. And then I'm going to click on the word Save. Okay. But before you do that, you should describe what this is. Image name is Google Reviews. Okay. And let's just put dashes here. Google Reviews, Peoria. VW, and then the image description, the current reviews of Peoria VW on Google. Now, these tags provide SEO benefits from Google because it provides the alt image tags in case someone's browser can't support the image, and I hit Save. Now, notice what happens. It shows the banner perfectly situated in the rotator area. Slide duration is, of course, how many seconds. You have the option to hide this slide on mobile, you would just check this box. Of course, I think online reviews are important. It's a great customer experience, so I would leave that unchecked. This slide is tagged to customers who are interested in, and of course, you could put new or used or any of these particular vehicles. The reason why this is important is since the CDK website will customize the homepage experience for each consumer who visits based on previous visits or where they're coming from. If this, for example, was a graphic about a Passat, I can say that this image is important for Passat people. But it's new or used or service, okay? And whatever general brand. There's nothing particular about this. This is a general restriction-free image. It applies to any customer. And then, so I don't need any tags there, and I'm just going to hit save. By hitting save, this is going to put this image into the library, the rotation of images on the home page for Lundy's Peoria Volkswagen, okay? And of course, you can see as this rotator goes through now, I had put that particular slide at the bottom. Now I can change the order of the banner rotation. I'm going to show you that in 1 minute, but I just want to show you, since I added this slide at the end and I didn't adjust the order, then since there are approximately 8 or 9 slides, we're going to see this come up just in a second as the last rotator in the list. Okay, so they talked about their dealer rater reviews, and then here should be our Google review. Look how beautiful that came out. Now, if I wanted to change the order of the homepage slider, I would go back to my wheel, and here's the list, and there's this little grab tool here, and I can just grab that line and put that earlier on if I wanted to move the dealer rater reviews or the Google reviews. If I wanted to move this up, to the top. You get the idea. I'm going to put the dealer rater down towards the bottom, okay, where it was. I'm going to put the Google reviews right there. That really gives consumers a great impression that this is a great place to do business. And of course, we're done. We've changed the order of the slides. It's that simple on how to manage these slides. Now, we have a whole library of slides that you can pick from where it says manage all slides. Remember, CDK has a whole library of images you could use, and that's, of course, really important. And then the global settings, should it autoplay or fade or anything that is about the slider widget is controlled in the global settings. Those settings normally you're not going to change. So that's it. What we just did was created a opportunity for you to keep your homepage banner rotator active with great imagery to, make your website really stand out to consumers. So if you have the support of your CDK ProCare manager or an OEM support rep, of course, have them help you. But if you need to change a banner on the fly or change the order of your banners, you've just learned how to do it in this module.